Dear student, how are you? I think all you are well by the grace of Allah. Today we will discuss our tag question. It is mainly for class 9 and 10. We will discuss our tag question, which is one of the easiest item for class 9 and 10. For tag question, we have to know firstly auxiliary verb. This is the auxiliary verb that we will use. Those are the auxiliary verb. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, need, dare, used to. Those are the auxiliary verb. When we will do or when we will solve our tag question, first we have to find out three questions. First one is sentence and its pronoun. First one is the sentence and its pronoun. Then we have to find out the auxiliary verb. We have to find out the auxiliary verb. And third one, is the sentence is positive or negative? Dear student, we have to find out three things: subjects and its pronoun, auxiliary verb, and is the sentence is positive or negative. If the sentence is positive, we have to make it negative. If the sentence is negative, we have to make it positive. Those are the criteria. Those things we have to doing these things, knowing these things, we can solve our tag question. First, I have already written this sentence. Rohim is playing football. Dear student, Rohim is playing football. There is a subject, that is Rohim. First, we have to find out which is the subject of this sentence. Rohim is the subject. And we have to find out the pronoun of this subject. Rohim. Rohim is a single person and he is boy. So we have to find out the pronoun is he. Pronoun is he. Rohim. Rohim's pronoun is he. Then we have to find out auxiliary verb. There is a auxiliary verb, that is. That is. First, subject and its pronoun. Subject and its pronoun is he. Then we have to find an auxiliary verb. There is an auxiliary verb, that is. Then third question, positive or negative. Is the sentence is positive? Rohim is playing football. That is the positive sentence. So we have to make it negative. That's right. We have to make it negative. Is not he. In tag form, isn't he. In tag form, isn't he. Rohim is playing football. In our tag form isn't he. Then there is another thing. My sister cannot run fast. My sister cannot run fast. There is the subject. There is the subject. My sister, its pronoun is she. There is an auxiliary verb, can. There is an auxiliary verb, that is can. And this sentence is absolutely negative. Negative sentence. So we have to make it positive. In our sense, the answer is can he. Can he. As the sentence is positive, we have to make it. As the sentence is negative, we have to make it positive. Can she. Then another thing. The boy helps me. There is no auxiliary verb. The boy is subject verb. There is no auxiliary verb. Dear student, we have to find out the auxiliary verb. If there is no auxiliary verb in this sentence, we will use do or does or did. Do or does or did. if there is no auxiliary verb, we will find do or does or did. Then we have to find which is the sentence, that which is the tense. If the sentence is present indefinite, we will use do or does. If the sentence is past indefinite, we will use did. The boy helps me. The boy helps me. This is present indefinite tense. As it is present indefinite tense, we will use do or does. If the sentence is past indefinite, we will use did. So there is present indefinite tense, and then we have to find out the subject. The subject is the boy and its pronoun is he. And after he, we use does. So we have to take does. Doesn't he? Doesn't he? This is the type of. There are several things we have written there. Will not, won't, shall not, shan't, cannot, can't, am not, aren't, was not, wasn't, do not, don't, does not, doesn't, and many other auxiliary verbs we have to use in this way. By this time, we can say that there are different rules in STAG. That's means if the sentence begins with every oblique any, we will use there they as a pronoun of the subject. If we get every or any is used before subject, we will use them as a subject form, as a subject of this, as a pronoun of this subject. For an example, every student helps me. Every student helps me. Every. As there is every, we will take a pronoun they. They. And after they, we will use do. As there is no auxiliary verb, we will use do, does or did. So after they, we use do. Our answer is don't they. As there is their positive sentence, we will use their not. That means don't they. Then another rules apply. We will apply. If the sentence starts with let, if the sentence starts with let, we will use will you. For an example, let them help us. Let them help us. Our sentence starts with let, so we will use the will you. It is an example of let, but there are some different kinds of text also. If we get let us or let's, then we will use shall we. We will use shall we. Let us go there. Then we will use shall we. Dear student, those are the things we have learned about our tag. If you try hard from your books again and again, you can solve your tag question. I think it will help you to remove your problem on tag question. Thanks for your cooperation. I think you will do better for your exam. Try again and again, you will solve your problem on tag. Thank you. I will see you later.